Okay, look. I'm a tree snob. I'll give it to you. This, guess it's a tree. Not much of a tree. Tiny little baby tree ends like right there. This is a pine tree. Much bigger tree. Again, a lot of people would be like, oh yeah, trees. I'm happy with that. And those are trees. That pine tree right there, this one, that's still a bush. Because that's a tree. That's a tree. That's a bush. But this, you can't tell how far away that is. That is a fucking tree. That is a fucking tree. That is a fucking tree.